Diwali. Good morning to one and all present over here. I Sanskrit and I with our classmates got a golden opportunity to conduct today's morning assembly. Today we are gathered to celebrate one of the most beautiful festivals of India, Diwali, the festival of light. Diwali is not just a festival, but a celebration of good over evil, light over darkness, and knowledge over ignorance.
A very warm welcome to all our respected teachers, dear students, and the entire school community. As we come together to celebrate this auspicious festival, we hope to fill our hearts with light and positivity. Just as we light on Diwali, bring light into our homes.
To begin this special assembly, let us invoke the blessings of Almighty. I request our honorable dignitaries to please come forward and garland the portrait of God in Lakshmi and light the lamp as Diwali is the festival of
त्योहार खुशियों वाली बूंदों की कर देता हम पे है बौछार। आई दिवाली खुशियाँ संग लेके है आई, देखो आई दिवाली खुशियाँ है लाई। आई दिवाली खुशियाँ संग लेके है आई, देखो आई दिवाली खुशियाँ है लाई। आई दिवाली खुशियाँ संग लेके है आई, देखो आई दिवाली खुशियाँ है लाई। आई दिवाली खुशियाँ संग लेके है आई, देखो आई दिवाली खुशियाँ है लाई।
Ari Diwali, Ari Diwali. Thank you, choir group, for that beautiful song. Moving forward, let's brighten our day with a positive and inspiring thought. I would like to invite Shreya to share thought of the day.
Jai Hind everyone. Today's date is 17 October 2025. Today's day is Friday. Today's good thought is light a lamp of love, blast a chain of sorrow. Shoot a rocket of prosperity, fire a flower pot of happiness. I repeat my thought. Light a lamp of love, blast a chain of sorrow. Shoot a rocket of prosperity, fire a flower pot of happiness. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you, Shreya, for that thoughtful message. May we all strive to live by these wise words, especially during this festive season of Diwali. Our world is a collection of different words, meant to enlighten us with a new vocabulary and enrich our linguistic prowess. I would like to invite Kimaya to present today's new word.
Jai Hind to everyone. Today's new word is illumination. Its spelling is ILLUMINATION. Full with the illumination of lamp on Diwali night. Thank you, and have a good day ahead. Vocabulary. Every day has its own significance and each day has its own importance by one or other means. What is the significance of this festival? What is the importance? Let us know what message Diwali festival reflects. So to tell the importance of the day, I would like to invite Aradhya. The of the day is Diwali. This year Diwali is celebrated on 21st of October 2025. Diwali is also known as Deepavali and the Festival of Light. It is one of the biggest festivals of India and it is celebrated every year to mark the victory of good over evil and the light over darkness. Have a peaceful and safe Diwali to everyone. Thank you very much and have a good day ahead. Once again, happy Diwali.
Factual knowledge and enhance our mental abilities. Friends, do you know an amazing fact about Diwali? So, I would like to call Arav to tell you some amazing facts.
Jai Hind to everyone. Today I am going to tell you some amazing facts on Diwali. First, Diwali is important festival celebrated in India. People often think Diwali as a Hindu festival, but it is also celebrated by Sikh and Jain. Second, Diwali is also called Deepavali in South India and Tihar in Nepal. Third, Gujarati Diwali is also marked as the beginning of New Year. Fourth, Diwali is also celebrated by many countries like UK, USA, Malaysia, etc. Fifth, UK holds one of the largest Diwali celebration outside India. Thank you very much. Have a good day ahead.
Thank you, Arya, for telling unbelievable, amazing facts. Now, let's dive into the significance of this wonderful festival. Diwali is celebrated across India with great enthusiasm, symbolizing the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. It is a festival that teaches us value and right goodness of the power of the inner life. I would like to invite Vivekananda to deliver a short speech on Diwali.
Respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends, today I am going to tell you about Diwali, the festival of lights. It is the one of the most important and happiest festival of India. Diwali is celebrated for 5 days. Each day has a special meaning. Then the first day is Dhanteras. When people buy gold, silver or utensil, it is believed to bring the good luck and wealth. The second day is Narak Chaturdasi, which reminds us that good always win over evil. The third day is Mahalakshmi Pujan, when we worship the goddesses Lakshmi, the goddesses of wealth and prosperity. Homes are decorated with diyas, lights and rangoli everywhere. Then the fourth day is Govardhan Puja. Govardhan Puja is celebrated to remember how Lord Krishna had saved the people of Gokul from heavy rain. Then the fifth day is Bhai Dooj. Bhai Dooj is celebrated to lovely bond between the brothers and sisters. Diwali teaches us that remove darkness from our hearts and fill up lives with light, love and kindness. Let us celebrate the Diwali happily and safely with diyas, not crackers. Thank you very much and happy Diwali to all of you.
Nanda for that insightful speech. Diwali truly holds a special place in our hearts, reminding us of the victory of good over evil and the importance of spreading light and happiness. General knowledge makes you smart and helps you to take a better decisions in life and makes you well informed. So I would like to call Yash for GK quiz. Jai Hind to everyone. Today I will ask you some simple GK questions based on Diwali. So are you ready? So my first GK question is, who was the ever king defeated by Lord Brahma? Absolutely correct. The correct answer is Ravan. Second, which goddess is worshipped during Diwali? Absolutely correct. The correct answer is Goddess Lakshmi. Third, what is main sweet preparing during Diwali? Absolutely correct. The correct answer is laddu, barfi and other traditional sweets. Fourth, what is used to decorate home during Diwali? Absolutely correct. The correct answer is diya, candle and rangoli. Fifth and the last question is, which festival is celebrated the day after Diwali? Absolutely correct. The correct answer is Govardhan Puja. Thank you.
As we celebrate Diwali with lights and joy, it is important to remember our responsibility towards the environment. Diwali doesn't mean bursting crackers and causing pollution. Instead, we should focus on celebrating an eco-friendly Diwali. I request Bhumika to give a short message on how we can celebrate a green and eco-friendly Diwali. Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends, today I am going to speak about a very important topic, eco-friendly Diwali. Diwali, the festival of lights, is one of the most beautiful and joyful festivals celebrated in our country. It is the time when we decorate our home, wear new clothes, share sweets and celebrate with our loved ones. But friends, in recent years, Diwali also became known for air and noise pollution caused by firecrackers. The smoke from the crackers harms the environment, affects birds and animals, and even causes breathing problems to humans. So this Diwali, let us celebrate in a way that brings happiness without harming the nature. Here are some small steps we can take. Light earthen diyas instead of electric lights to save electricity. Make rangolis with natural colors or flowers. Avoid bursting crackers. They pollute the air and the noise disturbs everyone. Plant a tree to spread real joy and light in the world. Share seeds and gifts wrapped in an eco-friendly material instead of plastic. Let us make this Diwali truly meaningful. The one who brings light not only to our homes but to our planet. Remember, a green Diwali is a clean Diwali. And the best gift we can give to nature is our care and responsibility. So, this year, let us celebrate a happy, safe and eco-friendly Diwali. Thank you and wish you all a bright and green Diwali.
Important message. Let's all pledge to celebrate this Diwali by lighting diyas and sharing sweets, rather than bursting harmful crackers. Let's make our celebration a healthy and safe world. Moral values help in building the ethics and the value that develop the spirit of righteousness among children. So, I would like to invite Tejaswi to narrate by a wonderful short story.
To everyone, today I am going to tell you a story on Diwali. The most common story on Diwali is Lord Ram, his wife Sita and his brother Lakshman were forced into a 14-year exile. During it, the Sita was kidnapped by the demon king Ravana. When Ram got this message, Lord Ram, his brother Lakshmana, and Hanuman fought a great war to rescue Sita from demon king Ravana. Afterward, when Ram defeated Ravana and returned to their kingdom Ayodhya, then the people of Ayodhya light lamps and diyas to welcome them. Thank you and have a good day ahead. Dear friends, like all other celebrations, Diwali doesn't wrap up without dance and music. And when it comes to the Diwali, there is no point not shaking legs on the dance floor. And now let's get ready to enjoy, because next our classmates are going to rock the stage.
केसर तिलक लगाओ, जश्न दिवाली मनाओ, जश्न दिवाली मनाओ। जब से राम जी पधारे वनवास से, खुशियाँ लाए वो भर के अपने आंगने, रूठे रिश्तों को फिर से मनाने, पधारे अपनों को अपनों से मिलाने। सबके दिलों का सबसे प्यारा आया खुशियों वाला त्योहार।
Let's give them a huge round of applause.
Now we are honored to have our respected principal sir to share a few words with us.
Actually, I am not going to do the big speech because it's a very limited time. We are having another planning. Okay, so I wish